afternoon, everybody. It's MrDoTheMath here. We're going to talk about subtraction of areas, dealing with basically inscribed circles. All right. So there's three basic rules. The first thing you want to do is you want to find the area of the first polygon. So we're looking at something like this. All right. So we're finding the area of an inscribed. So we're looking for areas of shaded regions. First thing you want to do is you want to find the area of the whole polygon. The next thing you want to do is you want to find the area of the smaller polygon, right? Which would be, in this case, the circle. And then you want to subtract. You want to subtract the two, find the difference, okay? And what you end up doing is the total area minus the unshaded, right? The unshaded area, which will usually be a circle of such, and that will give you what's shaded. That'll give you what's shaded, okay? That'll give you what's shaded. Man, you got that? Okay. Let's look at this first example. All right, if we're dealing with this circle here, right? We want to find the area of the shaded part if the radius is 6, okay? If the radius is 6, okay? First thing you want to do is you want to find the area of this rectangle here, all right? If this radius is 6, that means that going this way is 6 and going this way is 6, right? And going this way is 6 and going this way is 6. All of the radiuses, right? So that means you will have your height, which will be 6 plus 6, 12, and you'll have your base, right, which is 6 plus 6, 12. So to find our area of our rectangle, we will have 12 times 12, which is 144, right? Now, the next thing you want to do, part 2, is to find the area of the smaller polygon, which would be our circle, the smaller shape. So you find the area of the circle. The formula for the area of a circle is what? Pi r squared. Pi r squared. Pi r squared. Pi r squared. Okay. All right. So pi is this number here. What's the radius in this problem? 6. 6 squared. Right. So our radius is going to be 36 pi. 36 pi is what? What did you get? 36 pi, 36 pi. 36 pi is, should be 113 and some change, right? So, now we have our two areas. We have our big area, which is 144, and we have our smaller area, which is 113. So you subtract the two. 144 minus 113. And that'll give you the measure of our shaded area, which is 31.
11.
Does everybody get that? You see that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we took our area of our circle and also our rectangle.
Where did 31 come from?
Where did the 31 come from? It came from this being 144 and this being 113. And you're pulling this circle from, pulling 113 from 144, basically. All right? So that's how you get that. All right, let's look at another example. Okay, we'll go over here. We're going to draw this shape here. Right? All right, so we need to find the area of the shaded part. In this particular problem, they say that this measures 3 and this measures 3. All right, what does 3 represent in this problem?
The
Base.
It represents part of the base and it represents the radius of the circle. Now, if you notice this, anytime you see a rounded shape, especially when you're dealing with shapes like this or polygons, these are parts of a circle. Okay? These are parts of a circle. And so if I pulled this out and I drew this part here, and I drew this part down here, and then I drew this part here, and I drew that part here,
it makes a circle.
it makes a circle, right? So what part of the circle are these? What's the fraction here associated with these? These are fourths, right? These are fourths. So if you were to find the area of any of these, what you would do is you would take the area, which is pi r squared, and divide it by 4. Because it's a fourth of the area. This is a fourth of the area, this is a fourth of the area, and this is a fourth of the area. Okay? I want you to see that because you're gonna have a problem like this later. Okay? Now, my man said that this is the base. It is part of the base. But 3 plus 3 gives you your whole base, right? And because this is part of a circle, that means that this is also a radius and this is also a radius. So this is 6 and this is 6. I mean 3 and 3. This is 3 and this is 3. Therefore, the area of our rectangle is going to be 6 squared times pi. Pi r squared. Right? Where did we get 6 from? The 3's. Right, you add your 3's together. You add your 3's together to 6. Alright, so here we go. So we got 36 pi is the area of this rectangle, which is 113 again. And now the area of our circle, if we do since it's 4 of these, we end up with a whole circle, right? So you essentially could just work this one out like this. So it'll be the area of the circle equals 3 squared times pi. Pi times 3 squared, which is 9 times pi, right? 9 times pi gives you
28.2.
28.2, rounded to the nearest whole number, which would be 28. Alright? The inscribed, or the shaded area, would be to subtract 28 from 113. So, the shaded area would be
85.
good. 113 minus 28. Okay? Which is 85. Okay? Now, let us take a look at yet another problem. Okay. If I show you this picture here, right? And they said this is 3, from here to here is 7, and from here to here is 9. All right. This is shaded. This is shaded. We all see that? Alright, so let's make this shaded like everybody else. Alright. Anyways, alright, what do you have here?
3 circles.
We got 3 circles. We got a little circle, a baby bear with a radius of 3, right? We got a mama bear with a radius of 7, and we got a papa bear with a radius of 9, right? Now, the question says to find an area of the shaded part. So of these 3 circles, somebody can be excluded. Who could you exclude?
3 and 9.
The 3 and the 9?
Only 7. 7.
You can exclude the 7?
Well, the 7 is the shaded part.
The 7 is the shaded part. We need the 7.
Just the 3. Just the 3.
Just the 3? What? Not the, well, the 3 is inside of the shaded part, so we need to know what 3 is, so we take care. We get rid of the 9 because we don't need this 9. We get rid of the 9, so we don't need him. All right. So what we do is we find the area of the small baby bear. So his area is going to be 3 squared times pi, which is going to be 28, rounded to the nearest whole number. And then the area of this one, right, it's going to be 7 squared times pi, which is 49 pi, which gives me a total of what?
153, well, 154 rounded.
153, was it 0.5?
0.3, 0.9.
0.9, which is 154. So, this is 154, and inside of 154, there's an area of 28. Alright, there's 28 inside of here. So you would take 28 from the 154. That's how we find our shaded area. Alright, 54 minus 28 gives us what? 126. Alright, and this would be our shaded area. Okay? That's your shaded area.
I can do this.
We can do this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's enough, man.
Okay, good.